What's up guys, Tyler20 here, and welcome back to another update video on my banana plant. Um, it has survived the winter. Uh, Mind you, I'm a little late. I've been caught up with a lot of stuff going on, but it has survived the winter and everything, you know, and it did bounce back. I forgot when it officially started growing back, but of course, the banana plant, they grow fast. um, so I pruned it back. There were little nubs. Um, all you can see the old husks of the old leaves from the winter. You can see it's all falling down. It's all rotten. Yeah, look at that. But it is growing so freaking fast. So as soon as the first new leaf, I think it's right here. It's somewhere. The first new leaf. As soon as that grown out, it did it for that one. Then it did for that one. I let it grow, get its sunlight. Started the second leaf, and then on the third leaf, I trimmed back the leaf that was a part of pruning because it was like cut down the middle. Cause that's how I pruned it. And after that, it started going crazy. It just started growing so fast. As you can see, I didn't even notice this. This is a brand new leaf that started growing. As you can see, there's a brand new leaf right there. What about the baby one? I don't see, well, I think this is a brand new leaf that just opened up. Um, I don't see a leaf in there yet because it's still new. But yeah, I pruned off the old leaves on the ends. So this one has 2 leaves at the moment. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4 leaves. So I'm probably gonna prune this one off. As you can see, it's a little damaged. So I'm probably gonna prune this one off today. This one, I think for now it's still doing good. This one's a little worn out, but it's still doing good. I usually leave up to 3 leaves per plant, so I'll let it grow. And then once they have enough leaves, and I'm gonna cut off until there is at least 3 left, and just keep doing it so I can put as much, nutrients into it. I need to see what I'm gonna do because I believe this is the mother plant. I believe this is one of the 2 of the pups, and this thing is actually pretty good. It's actually looks like growing better than the mother plant, but I know that it does take nutrients away from the main plant if you keep it. I don't want to get rid of the plant. I want to give it to someone who might want a banana plant in their yard. I might give it to a family member. So that means I'm gonna cut this off, cut off the other one, repot it somewhere until someone picks it up and just continue to grow from the middle plant. And I know it's gonna probably do more pups, and I'm just gonna keep cutting them off because I want this plant. I want the main plant to be growing. I don't need all these banana plants because just like elephant ears, they'll run. They'll start here with one, then another one pops up, then another one pops in, another one, and then it'll pop you. Actually, I'll show you. Mind you, I only had 2. One on the left, one on the right. Elephant ear galore. There's even some right here. And I don't even know how they're everywhere. So it's like once you plant it one, they all go crazy. Oh, this was from a Christmas plant. All the other plants passed, but this one stayed alive, so I just repotted it in here. This is sugar cane. Funny story, I found it on the side of the road, and it was like fresh. It just happened to fall off the back of someone's truck, and I took it. Of course, I ate the good parts, and I just grew the other part, and it's doing pretty good. I repotted it from where it was, but it's doing pretty good. This was, if you could see the, oh wow, it's going back. If you can see the plant, it's like the elephant ear ones. This is what it is. It was bigger, but again, the winter took it out. But it's coming back, so I'm probably gonna repot it. So yeah, but I have fertilizer for this, but it's growing so well. I don't think I need it. To be honest, I really don't think I need it. Um, I don't know. Maybe whenever I finally have a chance to prune off, since it's going to be damaged or whatever, I want it to, grow back healthy. I've never used a fertilizer before, so I'm going to do like a little bit or do some research on some dosage. But I have the fertilizer. It's just sitting there collecting dust in my house, and I don't want it to go to waste. So, but yeah, that's my update on. I don't remember which update this is. If this is the 5th, 6th, I have no idea. But yep, this is it. Look how big the leaf is. But yeah, so I just want to do a little quick update for y'all. I've been away for a while. I was busy, so I'm gonna try to bounce back. So yeah, but if you like this update, give it a like, comment, share with people who has a banana plant who's also in South Carolina. I know there's a lot in Georgia. Some people manage to do it in North Carolina, but I'm in South Carolina, the southern part of South Carolina, near Georgia. So yeah, but thank you all for watching my videos, and any other videos, and I will see y'all in the next one. Tyler 120 out. Peace.